Honorable Chairperson has laid our position as the candidates. We vehemently, categorically reject Blitz Mande together with his provincial Vice Chancellor. We demand free Black Central African socialist education. Talk about 80% caps does not speak to us. The talk that speaks to us is to tell us when I'm going to tell my grandmother that you're not going to pay for education. We reject the missing link that they speak about. Comrades, it must be clear so that when time comes, we don't want people to tell us, no,